This is Jason with DV Nation. Today we are demonstrating the incredible performance of the RAM disk that you get when you order a RAMRod PC from DV Nation. A RAM disk is a segment of your RAM that the computer thinks is a disk drive. Just like an SSD runs so many times faster than a hard disk, a RAM disk runs that much faster than an SSD. Wow, we've never seen a number that high. Sequential read 8.5 gigabytes a second, that's 8500 megabytes a second, and 9 gigabytes a second write, sequential write, that is CrystalMark. We're just running 2 tests per segment there, just for the sake of time. So that was the sequential. The next one running now is the 512K. Again, 8 gigabytes a second. If you look at our CPU-Z, you can see we're running at 4.4 gigahertz, and that is pretty conservative. The PCs stay nice and cool at that speed. No blue screens, complete stability, and they stay cool. We actually test and monitor the CPU and case temperatures when we're overclocking to make sure we give you a stable product that's going to last you a long time. Now we're at the 4K, 1700 megabytes a second 4K. So just imagine how fast your programs can load. Your programs, your game levels will load at that speed. And yes, it is RAM, but yes, it is permanent. What you install will stay there. You reboot after reboot after reboot. And that is because if anything in the RAM disk changes, then that's written to the system disk, it's shut down and then reloaded when you reboot. This machine stock is 16 gigabytes, which would give you a 10 gigabyte RAM disk, and this one's upgraded to 32 gigabytes. So we have a 20 gigabyte RAM disk in there for you. Okay, the test is complete. We will go ahead and zoom in, and you can see all the figures there. The machine comes with a GTX 680, and you can upgrade that to a dual GPU 6990 from AMD. Or tomorrow we're actually receiving our first GTX 690. We're going to put that in and send this baby to SlashGear, and you'll be seeing a third-party review. Just a quick shot of the PC, and we'll be doing more of these. Small form factor. Comes standard with a PCI Express SSD, 240 gig, Revo Drive 3X2 from OCZ, and you can upgrade that to 480 or 960 gigabytes if you like. And in here we have our secondary drive option. We got twin hybrid drives in here. We're the only ones we know of doing that. So that's 1.5 terabytes and 16 gigabytes of NAND flash memory, which automatically populates that NAND with your most frequently accessed software so that it will load faster. Come around a little bit to the front of the small form factor case, and then finally here's what it looks like next to a full size case, just for a little perspective. Again, this is Jason with the DV Nation, and we'll be back with other reviews here of the performance of our machines with the RAM disk and with the RAM cache software. Thank you.